Man, you guys have been in the dark. Got a new car. This is my 2011 Ford Mustang GT. As you guys can see, it's in pretty mint condition. Yeah, let's take a look at the inside. This is what sold me the most. 2011. Guys, this thing doesn't even have like a scratch on it, man. Looks like no one has ever sat inside this thing. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So let's take a look up under the hood. I bought the car and I didn't even look under the hood. I didn't even test drive the car and I bought the car actually. It's hard to do one-handed. Man, check this out. BBK, full exhaust system, all the way around. Got the oil catch can. And you know, I don't even know what's done to the engine. Just got the car. Don't really have much background on it. I'm pretty sure you guys are ready for the most important part. That's when we come around the back and hear the startup.